In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a Galaxy Note 8 battery replacement easily. So, if your Galaxy Note 8 battery losing a charge fast or expanding, this battery removal guide is for you. And as always, all the links for the tools and the parts in the description below. Make sure to check them out. Keep watching. Hey everyone, I'm Anas, the founder of Battery Shack. In this channel, I cover everything from batteries to gadget repairs to help you fix your own gadgets and make a better battery decision on your next purchase. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing now and hit the bell notification button. That way, you'll get notified every time I release repair videos like this one. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below and I'll make sure I respond right to them. Now, enough talking, and let's go ahead and change your Galaxy Note 8 battery. Alright guys, let's start with heating up the back glass of the Galaxy Note 8. The reason why we're heating the back glass is because we want to loosen the adhesive that's connected between the frame of the Galaxy Note 8 and the back glass of the Galaxy Note 8. You want to heat it up constantly, and you don't want to stop, because if you stop, the place will get too hot and then the older battery may get damaged or expanded. We know it's already damaged, but you don't want to risk anything, so just do it slowly. Take your time, heat it up, and then once you feel it's ready, you pry it open. And then when you pry it open, also you want to do it slowly and carefully. You don't want to crack the back glass of your Android phone. And just note for this tutorial, the back glass of this Note 8 is already cracked, so I'm not gonna care this much, but I'll still take my time to do it to show you guys. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this video, and anytime at this video, check the links below for the battery. That includes all the repair kits and the tools that you need. You don't need to purchase anything else. As you see me doing here right now is prying the back glass of the Note 8. If the pry tool gets stuck anywhere, that means the adhesive is still cold and is not loosened enough. So you want to heat it up a little bit more and do it slowly, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this battery replacement guide for the Galaxy Note 8. And over here on the corners, once you get to the corner, you want to do it very slowly and gently, because you don't want to break it. It's very sensitive from the corners. Like I said, if you get stuck anywhere, just heat it up more and then continue prying it. And then now I'm going to forward this video up a little bit more faster, so you guys will watch the next step. Alright, so now I have pried the Galaxy Note 8 back glass, and I'm going to remove it as you see in the picture. The next step what you want to do is remove all the 13 screws on the back of the Galaxy Note 8. The top part, there's two parts here. The top part is for your wireless antenna, and then the bottom part is for your bottom speaker. Alright, so as you see here, I'm removing the last screw. The next thing you want to do is remove the wireless antenna backplate. You can use a tweezer, or you can use a plastic opener tool. Whatever comes with your battery repair kit, you can use. I'm pretty sure it comes with all these tools also. Lift it up slowly and gently. That way you do a beautiful Galaxy Note 8 battery replacement. The next thing you want to do, as you see, the silver part is your battery, and then the gold cable from the top is your battery connector. I just removed the bottom speaker. That's your battery, and then on the top is your battery connector. You want to disconnect it So here you go. Now your Note 8 has no power at all to it. Next thing you want to do, you can try to lift up the battery. Again, there is adhesive under the battery. It's a double-sided tape. If it's a little bit strong, use your blow dryer, use your heat gun, whatever you have. Heat it up a little bit so the adhesive can get loosened. Flip the phone to the other side so the heat will go directly from the glass to the back of your Note 8 battery. Just make sure you move the heat gun constantly. You don't want to set it in one place and heat it. Move it around, and then the adhesive should be loosened and ready to get removed. As you see now, I put my pry tool back in there again, and then the battery should get removed easily now. Here you go, it's coming apart. No worries, guys. Just do what I'm doing. Do it slowly. Take your time. This video tutorial on the Galaxy Note 8, I made it especially for you guys so you can see. You saw the adhesive. Now you want to clean the area a little bit under the battery, so when you put the new adhesive, everything's gonna stick to the back of glass of the Note 8, or you want to say the back of frame of the Note 8, whatever, however you want to call it. Just clean it up, remove the adhesive. So when you put the new adhesive, everything will be fresh and everything will stick together. Now you can use your double-sided tape, or you can use the B7000, but as you see in this kit right here, it does have the adhesive that comes with the battery if you want to use. And here is the battery to the Note 8. You can see what the battery look like. This is the replacement battery also. It's just a different color. It's a black, not silver. Of course, it's aftermarket. And then you saw the gold ribbon cable. But I'm not going to use the tape that comes with it. It's just my reference. So I'm going to use the silicone adhesive glue. It's not glue. You can also remove it very easily. I'm just going to put it around the edges where the battery to the Note 8 sits. You don't have to put a lot, just put a little bit, and then just make sure you close it. And you can use this silicone glue to anything, broken dishes, anything around the house. Your wife broke something, you can use it to fix it. It's not very strong though, it's just will put things together. So here you go. Now I'm going to put the battery to the Note 8. First thing you want to do is you want to plug your battery power cable to the circuit board, and then you just want to push down to the battery. Just push it down, make sure it's in there, and you should be all set. Maybe you want to wait a little bit, few minutes for it to dry out, and then you can put the rest of the stuff back in there. So as of right now, I'm putting the back speaker. And if you guys have made it this far watching this Note 8 battery tutorial, please give it a like, share it, put a comment below, tell me, hey, I love the video, you made it easy for me. I just want to hear you guys feedback. I want to hear your comments. I want to hear what you guys gotta say about the videos. Now as you see right now, I'm just putting the back plate back together, holding it about maybe 1 to 2 screws just so it won't move anywhere. Now between the wireless antenna and the bottom speaker, there is a small black plastic plate, as you see in this video right here. You want to put that in there first, and it actually goes in between, so you want to put that in there first, and then just maybe screw it with 1 screw, and everything else should be easy. This Note 8 battery guide repair should solve all your battery problem. If your Note 8 battery losing charge fast, or if it's draining fast, or if it's not holding a charge, or if your battery is swelling up, then this Note 8 battery replacement video is for you. I really hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe to this channel now. That way you don't miss out any future repair videos like this one. And as you see here, I'm putting the rest of the screws, so I'm going to speed it up for you guys. Alright, so over here, as you guys see me, I'm putting the last screw. The next thing you want to do, you can use original adhesive on the back plate of the Galaxy Note 8. As you see it, it's like a gray color, or you can use a B7000 glue. That way it will just make it stronger. So because the older one is weak right now, is not as strong as it was originally, so I just like using the B7000. Now for the back button of the Galaxy Note 8, you want to remove it also, because there is a connector cable that connects right to the circuit board, and you have to remove it from the back plate. Connect it on the circuit board first, and then put the back glass of the Galaxy Note 8. So heat it up, get the double-sided tape adhesive, loosen it a little bit, pry it open slowly and gently, and take your time, because we're done with this video. You guys did an amazing job by doing Galaxy Note 8 battery removal. Now all you gotta do is plug your connector back to the circuit board, and pretty sure you guys can see it in the video where the cable is. You can use a tweezer, screwdriver, and most of the times you can use your fingers also there to push it down. If you struggle a little bit, take your time and it should go right in there. Just make sure it's in there all the way. And the next thing you want to do is push your back glass in there, and you should be all set, guys. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave me a comment below, and I want to hear your feedback. And I'll see you guys. I'm actually right now over here. What you want to do, you want to power your phone up, make sure everything is perfectly working, and also you want to charge it. Just make sure your battery is taking a charge or not, and plug it in for 5 minutes. Just make sure the battery percentage of the Galaxy Note 8 is going up, and if everything is fine for you, congratulations, you guys did an amazing job. I'm so proud of you, and please comment, like, subscribe now if you can. Have a wonderful day. This is it, guys. Good job. Now you learned how to replace a battery in the Galaxy Note 8. Make sure you watch the 2 videos right here. One of them is Galaxy Note 8 screen replacement. The other one is how to store your car battery. Good job. Share, like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.